You have two different options for checking the spelling in your document. Anytime you spell a word that Google Docs thinks is misspelled, they will put this squiggly red line underneath it. So one way to do a really quick check of the spelling is to right-click on that word and it will give you a suggestion. If you like that word, then you can just choose it and it will automatically change it. I'm going to hit Control Z though, because I would like to show you a different option. Another way to check the spelling would be to go to Tools, Spelling, and then you get this dialog box up here. And what this will do is go through every word that is misspelled. So if you have a long document, you may want to wait until you're finished and then go through and double check to make sure you don't have any misspelled words. I like this option, especially for times when the word might be a little bit more difficult to figure out because Google Docs isn't necessarily going to make the right choice for you. So they have a suggested word right here. And what they will do is they'll put other suggestions under here if they have other suggestions. What you can do if they don't have a suggestion that works for you is you can go in here and actually change it. So suppose you mean to say something like this. You can change it to something like that. Now they're going to tell you it's still wrong, but you can change it manually yourself. Once you've finished with that word, it's going to go right to the next word. You see research is here. They're saying change the way you spelled it to this spelling. If you want to change it and accept it, you can click change. You could also choose to ignore the misspelling, or you could choose to add it to your dictionary, which means that maybe if it's a last name or a term that they're not familiar with, but you know it's spelled right, you can choose to add it to your dictionary. So probably the most important advice is to just really look carefully when you are agreeing to change a word, because this still is just a computer and it's still just guessing. So it really is up to you to decide whether the suggested word is the correct one.